Pre-chlorine, enter. Then zero test, you put this one here, 0. Okay?
This one already have water, for example.
So make sure this one always clean. Now accept it. Now remove this one, chlorine, we use DPD. If they will ask you, DPD 1. For chlorine. For pH, we use phenol red. This one. So, for example, there is a reading there already. We use, then we skip this one again. We go to 3, 3, 0, enter. Then we test. For example, this one with water already. We test. 0. But this one we can test because I have a water here. Potable water tank. So, 0 accepted, prepare test. So, for this one is already like this. Then, we put the phenol red, then
Put again.
we put it again, then press test. Sampulan naman natin. Isa lang.
Yun na lang tubig mo sa...
So, here. This one is clean, no? Before I put this one, escape mo siya lahat. So, next time, yun na, because port state, ha? Maybe, they will ask you, no? No problem, I will answer that. But make sure you don't drag the hoses, no? Okay. Do it, Mas. Do it.
Okay.
Mas.
You do I video.
Okay.
You do. So
Okay.
you will know. Because I know already this. You do. I will teach you. Put this one here.
Okay. Put this one. Yeah.
Yeah. The arrow. Check the arrow. Yeah.
Okay.
Then like this. Okay. Then
Put
press
here.
1 0 0.
1,
0 0.
0, 0.
Enter.
Enter. Then pre
Go to free.
down.
Enter again.
Enter.
Enter again.
Okay.
Then put.
Then 0.
0.
Then
Wait for
until this one
become
accepted.
0.
That is the time we
Remove.
remove. Okay. Now.
Remove.
Now we use this one because this one is chlorine. We use DPD 1. Then you remove.